Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an out of office status in WebEx. So first, of course, head over and launch WebEx, may it be in your browser or your desktop app. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, beside your profile picture found at the top left corner of your screen, you should see this set a status button, and all you have to do is click on it. And from here, as you can see, a new window will then pop up. While you can technically schedule an out of office message directly in WebEx, but you can still manually set your status and message like this. So, here in the status section, you can type in messages such as out of office until Monday and also add in the date, say for example, October 28th. And also set duration for the status. So it could be 12 hours, up to 14 days, or you can also set custom date. Once done, head over and click on save. While the status is active, your status will then show beside your name in chats and spaces. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!